If you want the most control possible on your Sprinter Class C motorhome, then you're going to want to watch this video. Today we're going to be talking about our SS112 front auxiliary sway bar. This is something that has been in the works for some time. Some of you have been asking us in comments for quite a while. When is this thing going to be ready? Well, finally, it is ready. The SS112 front SuperSteer anti-sway bar fits the Mercedes Sprinter 2019 to 2023 6-cylinder 3500 and 4500 rear-wheel drive. For the 4-cylinder Sprinter, the SS112 fits models 2024 and newer, both on the 3500 and the 4500 rear-wheel drive. So here it is, our SS112. So this is an 1.25 inch diameter auxiliary anti-sway bar. It supplements your existing front sway bar. It mounts to this added skid plate and connects to your control arms on either side there. So I said this is the ultimate in sway control. So what do I mean by that? Well, this probably wouldn't be the first sway upgrade I would recommend. The owner of this coach, however, is doing pretty much everything that we can do. So he got our SS110 rear heat-treated sway bar. He got our SS88 1889 rear shocks. He got the Coney manual adjust 87-2657 front struts. He also got our new auxiliary rear spring pack too, which really helps out with the control, ride height, and ride quality. With all that being done, the next thing that he wanted to do was this front auxiliary sway bar. So we have tested this out on our own Navion and really fine-tuned it, made sure we worked out all the fitment issues, and we noticed just much better cornering response. So a lot of the sway that you feel, a lot of that rocking and rolling is somewhat coming from the back. Just most of your weight is back there. That's where we've done a lot to upgrade the rear suspension on this coach already. Up front, those front struts are helping quite a bit. You know, a shock absorber, a strut is going to dampen out that rocking and rolling, going to slow it down, is also going to provide some sway resistance on an initial turn in, but there still is some room for improvement. So with this front anti-sway bar, you'll notice just much more flat cornering response. So this thing is going to feel very responsive, is going to handle very nice. That sway is going to be even further reduced. So if you're interested in learning more about the SS112 sway bar, please give us a call, 888-898-3281, or email sales@supersteerparts.com. And if you'd like to have it installed at our shop, Henderson's Lineup, you can give us a call at the shop too at 541-479-2882. Thank you very much. Until next time, I want to wish you safer and happier driving.